Having a look at ISIS, which I traded last night, going on the 1 minute chart we've got here, we've got the 5 minute here, obviously level 2 windows in our time and sales. Here's where my position will sit and my live orders. Both will have a run up from the all the way down the $72.80 mark up to the 73 round number and hit our first pullback. So basically my entry is going to be looking at running at the $73 and $73 level. I'm just going to buy 100 shares as we get up there. We're going to be looking for a heap of buying on the time and sales as we actually hit up there, which hopefully we'll see pretty soon. We can see it's starting to try a little bit and coming through, starting to get some buying coming through here, and I've hit the buy button and we've come down and we've got a $73 average on the shares. So you can see here that we've got I've got 100 shares here. Going up, we're just going to have a look and see how this plays out. Because it's so extended on the 5 minute chart, we just want to be careful on our risk and make sure it's not going to, the rug's not going to get pulled down and we're going to lose all our profits. So at the moment, sitting here, lost $9, got a market price $72.91. Just hoping that's going to be more some more buying coming through, as generally the first pullback gets bought up quite heavily. Now, so you'll see me now, I've just changed my order down to 50 shares to take half my profit. Because it's very strong still, I started thinking that I'm going to take probably about 25 shares, and we're just waiting for a bit of a move up anyway. So you can see our unrealised profit's $33 at the moment, but can change quite quickly. I've hit my first sell, and you can see it's been filled. I've got 75 shares yet left, so just got $8 that we've made. So we're in the profit at the moment. It's really starting to move quite well. As you can see on the 5 minute, I'm starting to get quite wary. You can just see there how quickly you can go from positive to negative just on one order, which makes me a little bit wary that, well, this could have a rug pull on it straight away, and then we'll lose everything on there. So I'm going to start really taking some profits. So you'll see I'm just taking 25 shares at a time. Take another 25. Just seeing how it's running now. Now we're on to our next 5 minute candle. You can see that it's starting to hesitate quite a bit. I've only got 25 shares left. We're up 28 cents at the moment. Realised profit of $25. But here you can just see that we're starting to fluctuate a little bit around this sort of area. Got a bit of buying coming in there, but the share size is very small. So I'm very wary now that that the buying may have stopped just because it's on the 5 minute chart ready for that pullback, and that's where I want to get out. So we've seen the first 1 minute candles finish now. We're making another run. The next 1 minute candle is on its way up. I can see that I'm getting my order ready for the $73.50 level. This can be a level that we can buy at, but I just want to make sure that it's going to be confirmed with a heap of buying on the time and sales. Right now you see that we've had a little bit of push down, and bang, we're under the $73 level. So you can see that I've taken all my profits now. This could easily run up and keep going, but just how extended the 5 minute chart is, I'm very wary that it come back and fall quite heavily now. We'll keep watching this for a little bit longer. We sort of get under the $73 level. We're over a little bit on top. There's no real bid support at the moment. On the 1 minute chart, we've got the 9 EMA that could be an area of support. We can see that they're still only really small shares, but have a look at the cells down there on the time sales are red. They're quite big orders, so you can see that people are really taking their profits now. Sort of starts to bounce a little bit here. My next trade would be to take the break of the next 1 minute candle, just depending on how the buying comes in, and you can see that I've got my order ready for $73.39, but we're still really just not getting over that $73 level, which I just would have thought would have been good support. If we're expecting another run, we've got the high of day from yesterday at the $73.75, and we'll just keep watching this for a little bit. Got a few buyers coming in. 73's flashing on the level 2s again. 73.01. But the 73.01 level, they keep piling in, but then they're disappearing quite quickly. And you'll see here that once they go, basically that's going to be the end of it. When they've got two market makers now, 73.01. Once this hits, it's either going to keep breaking up or it's going to hit down. So a heap of sells come in, 72.97 now. As you can see, by now I just definitely wouldn't be. You can see all the sells hitting the $73 mark. So I just wouldn't be confident taking this trade right now. If we get quite a big bounce off this level now, as we can see, there's a heap of buying coming in again. I'm still not really too keen on this flag break, as I'm expecting it to dive down a fair bit more. We can see here there is some buying coming in. The bids are there, but they're disappearing quite quickly. There is entirely a chance that we could ramp up, but as you'll see coming up, I think I was right in my decision that I don't think that $73 level is going to hold.